How to enable TPM 2.0 in BIOS on Windows 11. Before we dive into the BIOS, let's check if TPM 2.0 is already enabled. Right-click on the Start menu. Select Run. Then type tpm.msc and press Enter. It will open the TPM management console. If you see a message saying compatible TPM cannot be found, TPM is either disabled or not present. Let's proceed to enable it in the BIOS. Restart your computer. As it boots up, press the key that opens the BIOS setup. This key varies by manufacturer but is usually delete key, F2, F10 or escape key. I am pressing delete key for my MSI motherboard to enter BIOS. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the Security tab. Click on Trusted Computing. Now look for an option called AMD fTPM switch and enable it. After enabling TPM, save your changes and exit the BIOS. Once your PC restarts, open the TPM management console again. You should now see TPM listed with the specification version as 2.0. And that's how you can enable TPM 2.0 in BIOS on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.